This is part 6 of the Ebb and Flow Shrug Crochet Along. I am Sammi Polascik from Featherbox Art. Let's go finish our shrug. First, we want to measure our rectangle to make sure it is around the correct size. Size A should be around 37 inches by 20 inches, and size B should be around 45 inches by 20 inches. After laying our rectangle out lengthwise, we will begin by folding over our top edge to meet our bottom edge. We will use our tape measure to mark out 7 inches. Repeat this on both the right and left sides to form 2 sleeves. Using the 24-inch long tail of yarn D, thread your needle. Begin by sewing the top edge and bottom edge together. You can remove the stitch markers as you go along. Once you have reached the 7-inch mark, bind off your yarn and trim the excess tail. After you have finished seaming one sleeve, repeat the same on the other side. For our final step, we are going to be adding a border around the edges, just to make it fit a little more securely around the body. You are going to need your size I crochet needle, and whichever yarn you like. I am using the darkest blue yarn. So first I'm going to attach the yarn to start working with. Right here, I used a slip stitch to kind of get it attached. Right here by the right sleeve, I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I am going to begin working up and around to form a collar. So I'll get started here. I'm going to turn my work so it's a little bit easier for me to work with here. So as I said, I chained 2. I'm going to start double crocheting around the upper edge. I'm going to continue to double crochet until I reach the other sleeve seam. You will do this for a total of 4 rows of double crochet. Finish by binding off and trimming the excess tail. Your Ebb and Flow shrug is now complete. Thanks for joining me for this project, and I hope you had as much fun with it as I did.